Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain how we can install Java 8 using Homebrew. The another approach is from the Oracle's official website. From there also you can install Java 8. For that I have created another video. But for some reason if you do not want to install from the Oracle's official website, because that would require the login on that website. So if you do not want to install through that way, or you prefer to use Homebrew to install Java, then you can follow along this particular video. So I'll move to the terminal now. Now if you search for brew search then JDK8, then you will get this openjdk@8. So this is the package to install Java 8. If I do brew info and this particular package name, then you will see the requirement is the 8664 architecture, which is Intel based Mac system. So if your system is Intel based, then you can just brew install and this particular package name. So this will install OpenJDK 8 on your system. But since my system is the silicon based system, which is M1 or M2, in those cases we cannot use OpenJDK 8, this particular package, to install Java 8. For that we will have to add another repository of Homebrew. So let me clear my screen first. We will add the AdoptOpenJDK repository. In other words, we will tap that repository using the command brew tab AdoptOpenJDK/openjdk. Let me show you that. So this will be the command to add this particular repository, and this is the path for that repository. So let me show you that as well. So here if you see, all the OpenJDK's versions are available to install, and for 8 version this is the package AdoptOpenJDK 8. So we will install Java 8 through this particular package. So I will have to first tab this repo. So I'll write brew tab AdoptOpenJDK/openjdk. So this will add the repository or clone the repository on our local system. All the formulas and casts will be replicated. Now if I search again brew then search JDK8, if you see the OpenJDK8, it was earlier also present, but this one is also added now. Okay, so we will install this one. Let's copy this. Then I will clear the screen first. Then I will do brew install and that package name. It might take some time. So it is asking the password for this Mac. So it is installed now. Let's check the Java version. So you can see the 1.8 Java version is installed, which is OpenJDK. So this way the JDK8 can be installed. If you face any issue, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.